on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and it is moving day. I am leaving Bermuda Dunes. I've been here for over 3 weeks, and Joni has been very generous, extending the invitation to stay as long as I needed. And I have been in touch with my sister in Crescent City, and I'm going to be moving the truck and trailer up there. So today is a big day, taking off. Thank you, Joni. Yay. So we're all hitched up and ready to go. Head on down the highway. Even though we've got this stay in place order, I'm still running into traffic here on I-10. But it looks like it's an accident that's just here, and I'm going to pass through it pretty quick. I've got a nice vista point, but it's really just a lot of agriculture, very green. Someone's getting busted down here. Almost to my destination. Still very, very windy. That's Crescent City in the background, and you can see the harbor is in the shape of a crescent. Alright, so I've made it to Crescent City. Beastie and Bestie did a great job. The winds were so strong today that a lot of truckers had trouble staying in their lane, but my truck and trailer did great. And this is where my sister lives. This is a boarding house, and I'm going to be here for a while, for sure a month, maybe more. All right, so I'm going to give a little tour of the house where I'm going to be staying and give a story about why I'm here and how this whole thing came about. So this is it's a beautiful Victorian. It's called Anna Wulf House, and I am renting a room here. My sister and another woman live upstairs, and I live downstairs with the house manager. So my sister lives up here, And then this is my room. It's a little bit dark, but it's really lovely furnishings. It comes with everything I need. Here's the bathroom. It comes with all the paper products, the laundry room, bedding, towels. Yeah, really, I really don't need to have anything to bring in to be comfortable here. It's really very, very nice. Dining room and the kitchen. My sister and I are the only two people that use this kitchen. All the other rooms have their own kitchen. You can see there's a lot of really interesting antiques, and it's just kind of really fun decor. And there's a piano here. I'm going to be getting some music so that I can play while I'm here. I was very comfortable in Bermuda Dunes, staying at the church with my friend Joni. My issue with staying there, I was very, very comfortable. My trailer's great. I love it. But Palm Springs gets very, very hot during the summer months, and the temperature was starting to rise. It was getting up to the 90s, and the inside of my trailer is 10 degrees warmer than it is outside. So if it was 90 outside, it was 100 in my trailer. My trailer uses 30 amp service, and even though I had water and electricity connected to the trailer, it was 110 volt, just a regular outlet. And so I wasn't able to use my microwave or the air conditioning. And so I just could see that pretty soon it was going to be too hot to stay in the Palm Springs in the deserts. It was just going to be too hot to stay there for very much longer. But the big problem was where to go next. And the state of California, as well as many other states, have shut down the state campgrounds. National campgrounds are shut down. Even the BLM campgrounds, the Bureau of Land Management, they are all shut down. And the private RV parks, a lot of them are for older people, 55, 65 and older, and they do not want to take anybody new for fear of people bringing in the virus. And so I could tell that this was really going to be a big problem for traveling with the trailer. Was where can I go? I remembered that when I first bought the truck and trailer and I was driving down the coast, I stayed with my sister and they had a vacancy here at the house. And so I called to see if that room was still vacant, and it was. And so that's what I have rented. And, we talked about if it was a good idea. It's not recommended to have family come and move in a new person. And so I explained how I've been living like a hermit, taking the stay-in-place, shelter-in-place orders very, very seriously. I mean, I cleaned that trailer floor to ceiling with Clorox numerous times. I cleaned my truck so many times that the upholstery actually has discoloration from the Clorox. And my sister said she works at the hospital, and there are no positive cases here in Crescent City. And where I had been living in Bermuda Dunes, they still didn't have any positive cases. And I explained that when I'm driving from Bermuda Dunes to Crescent City, the only place I'm going to stop is for gas. The only people I'm going to talk to would be if I have to go into a gas station to pay. And I had my trailer, so I used my trailer for the bathroom. I had plenty of food. I did not need to stop for anything other than gas. And so, I felt like, if there really wasn't anything more that I could do to take any more precautions to make sure that I was virus-free coming into this environment. And I feel like this is about as, good a situation as I can find. And it feels really good to be with family. There's a lot to do here, a lot of hiking. I should be able to get some great drone shots. The ocean, the redwoods, it's fabulous. I think it'll be nice to be with my sister too. So really, the biggest thing, of course, is to stay safe and to stay healthy. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy, and that we all see the other side of this pandemic. So leave a comment in the comment section below. You know how much I enjoy hearing from everybody. And as always, thank you for watching.